So in the real numbers consist of the following. We have the natural or counting numbers. The natural or counting numbers is represented by capital letter N. It includes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to infinity. Next, it also includes the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers is represented by W. It includes 0 and the set of natural numbers or counting numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to infinity. Then we have the set of integers. The set of integers includes the set of whole numbers and all the integers to the left of 0. So we have infinity, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, up to infinity. No fraction, no decimal. It is represented by capital letter C. Next, we have the set of rational numbers. The set of rational numbers are numbers which can be expressed as A over B, where B is not equal to 0. It is represented by capital letter Q. We have an example for rational numbers. We have -1, -1/3, 0, 1/2, +2, +3, and 1p. Next, we have also the set of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are numbers which cannot be represented as quotient of two integers. It is represented by Q prime. Example, square root of 2, square root of 3, pi. Next, as we have said a while ago, we have the set of real numbers represented by capital letter R. Then this R is divided into two. We have the rational numbers, which is represented by Q, and the irrational numbers, which is represented by Q prime. The rational number is divided into two. We have the non-integer rational numbers. It includes fraction and decimal, and we have the integer say. Next, the integer is divided into two. We have the negative numbers, the whole numbers, which is represented by W, and the whole numbers is also divided into two. We have 0 and the set of natural number, which is represented by a capital letter N. We can also represent the set of real number in this way. So we have the natural, that is 1, 2, 3, up to infinity. Then we have the whole. The whole number includes 0 and the set of natural numbers. We have the integers. The integers includes the set of whole number and the set of natural number. And we have the rational number, which includes fraction and decimal. It also includes the set of integers, the set of whole number, and the set of natural number. While irrational number can be represented by pi, e, and square root of 2. Now we are going to identify which of the given number belong to. We have number 2. 2 is a natural number. 2 is also a whole number. 2 is also an integer. 2 is rational. Why is it that 2 is rational? Rational can be represented by fraction. Because 2 can be written as 2 over 1, and 2 divided by 1 is 2. So 2 is rational. 2 is also a real number. We have -5. -5 is an integer. -5 is also a rational number. Why? -5 can be written as -5 divided by 1. Then it is rational. Then it is also a real number. We have 1/2. 1/2 is rational and real. 2 and 5/10. It is decimal, therefore it is rational and real. We have 1/3. It is a fraction, so that is rational and real. And we have pi. Pi is a rational and a real number. Now we are going to plot the real numbers on the number line. We have 1/2. One half can be plot between 0 and 1. So we have the red dot represented by 1 half. We have the square root of 2. The square root of 2 is approximately equal to 1.414. So it is in between 1 and 2. We have 3. 3 is approximately equal to 3.1416. That is after the positive integer 3. Now we are going to arrange the following real numbers in ascending order. We have the square root of 27. We have negative 1/4. The cube root of negative 8. And we have 2b. When we speak of ascending, it means from lowest to the highest. Which is the lowest in the given set of numbers? The lowest number is the cube root of negative 8, because the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2, followed by 1/4, followed by 2/5, and followed by square root of 25. Next, we need to arrange the following real number in descending order. Arranging the given number in a descending order means from highest to lowest. We have the square root of 27, 2/5, negative 1/4, and the cube root of negative 8. Now we are in problem solving. In an election for class officers, 10 students declared as winner. There were 50 students in the class. Represent the part of the officers to the class using the real number. This can be represented as 10 of 5 in lowest term, that is 1b. Next, we have, there are 80 students in a class. 2/5 are boys. How many are girls? If 2/5 were boys, therefore 3/5 were girls. We need to find 3/5 of 80. That is 3 times 80 is 240, and 240 divided by 5 is 48. So therefore, how many girls are there? There are 48 girls. Next, we need to use the real numbers to represent the following numbers. Gain of 5 kilograms can be represented as positive 5. A loss of 4 kilograms can be represented as negative 4. A drop in temperature by 8 degrees Celsius can be represented as negative 8. Additional of 3 points is positive 3. And 2/5 below sea level is negative 2. Thank you very much for watching.